Hello friends, it is a very important question on system files like pg underscore hba conf. Okay, so we'll discuss another question about all the files, but here what is the role of pg underscore hba config file in the Postgres? So pga stands for Postgres underscore hba means host based authentication, means the server level authentication, means Windows level authentication, you can say that. Okay, so host based authentication, this stands for host based authentication. The pg config file in the Postgres control client authentication, means application, how application is connecting locally or remotely. So we have to just change the config. Okay, pg config file, sorry, pghba file. It specifies the rule that determine which client are allowed to connect to the Postgres server, how they are authentic themselves. Each line is in the Postgres HBA conf file representing a rule containing information about the client's IP addresses, authentication mode, database name, username, and other parameters. So these details inside that pg HBA conf file. By modifying pg HBA file, you can define different authentication policies for the different client and databases. It provides granular control over access permissions and security measures, allowing administrators to configure secure authentic methods, IP whitelisting, SSL and TLS encryptions, and many more. So pg config file is nothing but just a control file for authentication, client authentication only. Okay, so this is like logins and all, you can say that. Thank you for watching.